what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here, and I just wanted to announce I hit 20,000 views on my YouTube channel for the year. That was my goal for actually the full year, and I hit it already this month here in August. So I'm super excited about that, and to celebrate, I am going to give away a $50 gift card. So all you have to do to enter, just tune in to the end of this video, and I will give you a phrase. You comment on that phrase, or comment the phrase on this video, and you will be entered into the contest. So thank you for checking out my channel, and have a wonderful day and good luck. Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here with a look at our newest addition to the Black Widow family. We sent this truck off to 2018 Silverado to get outfitted in the sweet Black Widow performance package from SCA Performance out of Alabama. If you're not familiar with them, I've done a couple videos. We've had a couple of trucks. We're the exclusive SCA Performance dealer in the St. Louis area, and we just got this truck back yesterday. Hasn't been through cleanup yet, but I wanted to get a quick video out on it to show everybody. Let's take a closer look at it. All right, let's start off at the front end here. So we have a mesh grill here that they put on with a rigid light bar there. If you're familiar with lighting in this industry, you know that Rigid is one of the top companies for that. And then we have a painted black bow tie. It is not vinyl. And then they have a true 6-inch suspension lift done exclusively for SCA Performance. Most trucks only have a 5 3/4 lift, where this one is a true 6-inch lift. We got custom fender flares here that are made exclusively in-house by SCA Performance. And then we have the 35-inch tires with the custom rims, the Black Widow rims, and then the SCA Performance brake caliper in there. And then you have, of course, the high quality badging to go along with the Black Widow. Tinted windows. It's also got a eyebrow up there for the Performance, SCA Performance up there. Here's a look in the back. It's got dual exhaust system from Flowmaster with the black exhaust tips. And then also on the back we have the painted bow tie as well. All right, on this model we went with the power fold out step rails, which actually come down a little bit lower than what the original step rails come out, which kind of helps out if you're a little shorter. And then they paint all the trim work in here all black. We have the custom gauges, and then of course we have the Black Widow on the seats, all leather seats, heated seats as well was added to this. And then at night, as you can kind of see, there's a red glare underneath there. And then also we got the little puddle light there. I'll do a little picture at the end of this video so you can see exactly what that looks like at night. And then of course they did the tinted windows, and then there's a little switch up here for the light bar. Let's take a look at that. That is super bright. Definitely get your attention. All right, well, this is Chevy Dave here at Deien Chevrolet. We're about 40 miles east of St. Louis in the Metro East area. This is a look at our brand new 2018 Black Widow edition that we just got in. So we are the exclusive Black Widow dealership in the St. Louis area. So if you're looking for one of these trucks, we're the only place in St. Louis that you can get them. These are the best accessory trucks that we've seen. They offer a 3-year 36 bumper to bumper warranty on their accessories, along with the manufacturer's warranty as well. So this truck will be covered. So if something goes wrong with it, even if say something like this was tightened too tight and it starts to crack as far as the paint, there would be we'd get that covered under warranty as well. So really awesome warranty. That's why we went with SCA Performance for these trucks. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here at Deien Chevrolet. Thank you for checking out this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think about this truck. And thank you for checking out. Have a wonderful day. Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here again. Thank you for checking out the video on the Black Widow. And all you have to do to enter into the contest for this $50 gift card is just comment Black Widow down in the comment section of this video, and you will be entered into this contest. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that little bell thing for the notifications, because you will have an opportunity to get additional entries into this contest. So stay tuned and check out all my videos. There will be videos every once in a while where you'll be able to enter into this contest and get additional chances to win this gift card. Alright, so thank you for checking out my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you guys, thanks.